Hello, Missouri, the Oberstar.
Yeah, go ahead, Cap.
Finally, I think we're getting somewhere here. We're getting ready to, we all fix up and still warming up a little bit the engine, but it won't take too long here.
Yeah, I figured it was a good sign when I saw smoke and the crane to get the gangway out of the way.
I know. All right, sounds good. We'll be ready shortly.
Sounds good, Cap.
Hello, Missouri, the Oberstar.
Yeah, go ahead, Cap.
Okay, I'm all, you can see it back there. I'm all clutched in there, and then we're going to let go our wires. Can you come closer there, or, I mean, where are you? I don't see.
I'm sturdy. I can't get hooked up with you being clutched in with the way it's churning in there next to the dock.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll see how it goes then. Just stand by there.
Okay, standing by. Yeah, Cap, once we get you glowing back and are more squared up with the dock, I want to get my line back before you get close, because that'll be kind of hard to get my line the way you're turning it out.
Okay, sounds good. Let me know when you need to take it off.
Okay, yeah, I'm just on a slack line. You want me to start easing you towards that dock?
Yeah, Roger. Why don't we start doing that a little bit here?
You got guys up there to let my line go?
I'll send somebody here.
Okay, Cap, clear.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, Roger. Yeah, if you could come up here.
Okay, I got a press on you.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Yeah, I'm working about half. If you want more, let me know.
Okay. Just all stop for now.
I'll stop, let her coast.
Okay, if you can give me a push again.
Okay, Cap, I'm all clear. Bring her in. Is your ball pretty close to being up against?
Yeah, about 3 feet.
Stern coming in all right for us? Want a little help?
If you can give me a push toward the after end there.
All right, come give you a little push on the stern.
Gave me a little bit more of a push there. We'll try to put some wires on there.
All right, giving her a little more.
Okay, I'll stop for a minute here.
I'll stop. I'm just staying clutched in to hold position.
Gotcha. It looks like we're all set here. Yeah, I should be all set with your service there.
Okay, nice working with the Cap. She came around fairly good for us.
Yeah, good. It's like I was thinking about doing something else, but that'll be good. So thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you soon.
Be looking for anything on your defender or no?
No, I think I should be fine. It looks pretty good. Once I'm pushed away from the dock, I'll finish pumping ballast, and then I should be good backing in there.
Yeah, it's pretty loose. Lead of girth, I went out on its own after I broke it up for him.
Roger, yeah. No, we should be good. I appreciate them.
Okay, you and your crew have a safe season, and sure we'll see you somewhere along the way.
For sure. Okay, thanks. Appreciate it.